Jeff, it's a pleasure to speak to you today. We've heard a lot about your company and its impressive technology. Can you start by telling us a bit more about Metavista3D and how this real 3D image on a laptop and a display is even possible?
Adrian, the pleasure is all mine. Thank you for taking the time today to take a look at our company, Metavista3D, and presenting our technology and showcasing our products to your audience. I'm Jeff Carlson, and I'm the CEO of Metavista3D. Metavista3D recently went public on the Toronto Venture Exchange after acquiring PS Holics, a Swiss technology company. Dr. Nasky, who is the founder of that company, actually developed and invented this technology. PS Holics has been developing this pseudo-holographic technology since 2015, and we are unrivaled in this field. Unlike our competitors that utilize cumbersome eye-tracking accessory head-mounted technology to view things in 3D that's only good for a single user, Metavista3D's Super Multi-View display allows multiple users the same experience of 3D pseudo-holographic display technology right in your face that you could actually almost reach out and grab it. Our displays offer thousands of perspective views, so there's real in-depth viewing. Our Super Multi-View technology offers you thousands of perspectives in real time. It eliminates the divergence accommodation conflict. This conflict actually causes headaches, nausea, and eye strain. And this display here provides that super multi-view pseudo-holographic technology and multiple user experience, not just a single user with an eye tracking device. It doesn't just look high-tech, it actually is super high-tech.
I've never seen something quite like this before. It almost looks like CGI. Can you explain the technology behind it? Who created it? When did you develop the first prototype? And when do you plan to bring it to market?
Adrian, I know our technology looks like some high-tech, computer-generated Hollywood magic behind the scenes, but it was actually invented by a German scientist, Dr. Nasky. He started this in 2006 and then went on to found the company PS Holics in 2015. And through his core innovations and his determination and hard work, we now have 8 different families of this technology and 25 worldwide patents. We've actually sold some prototypes to prospective clients. Our plan, since going public, is by the end of 2025 to begin mass production of these displays.
Your technology seems really revolutionary. Why hasn't Metavista3D been acquired by a big tech giant such as Apple or a major automotive or electronics manufacturer?
We've been very active recently, and in October of this year, we presented and showcased our displays at GITEX in Dubai, which is a leading consumer electronic trade show, as well as several other global trade shows that our sales team and technology team have been displaying this technology to consumer electronics, large display manufacturers, and automotive manufacturers. And because of our marketing efforts this year going to these innovative trade shows, we've received a lot of interest, especially from the automotive manufacturers, for integrating our displays for an improved driver experience. While the process is slow and complicated, we are enthusiastic that we'll be announcing the first letter of intent and projects soon. In addition, we are exploring outdoor media opportunities that involve digital signage on large buildings for museums and exhibitions to exhibit 3D visualization.
Where do you see Metavista3D heading in the future? Will the company focus on production, act like a technology supplier, or aim for acquisition? When can we expect revenues or large-scale sales?
Adrian, let me give you a little background. So, as I mentioned, Dr. Nasky started developing the technology in 2006, and then he founded the company PS Holics in 2015. And from 2015 until 2020, he raised $5 million worth of capital from private investors. And as we all know, in 2020, the world shut down. But Dr. Nasky continued to develop the technology. And then in 2022, when most of the world reopened, we started looking at going public. And recently, we went public on the Toronto Exchange. And that's when we're starting to look for more capital to really bring his ideas to life. Prior to going public, PS Holics has received multiple 8-figure offers to acquire our company. Our investors declined, and now that we are a public company, Dr. Nasky, PS Holics, that's a wholly owned subsidiary of Metavista3D, more investors can help Dr. Nasky and Metavista3D develop the technology of this multi-hundred-billion-dollar industry. So an acquisition, of course, will be great, but it has to be at our valuation. The space that we are in currently, healthcare, gaming, consumer electronics, automotive, we feel that this multiple $100 billion industry is up for grabs, and Metavista3D will take a large portion of that once our technology is realized by the public. With sufficient funding, we can achieve something monumental. Our focus now is to raise capital to improve on our technology, develop strong partnerships, like with our German partner, 3D Global, that's in the Photonic Valley. We're not rushing to develop and manufacture our own screens as of yet, but our breakthrough feels imminent.
Why did you choose to go public on the TSX Venture Exchange in Canada instead of the NASDAQ?
The Toronto Venture Exchange is a worldwide established exchange for technology companies to raise capital to develop their products further. Our choice to go public on the Toronto Venture Exchange was a strategic choice from our board of directors and investors because it allows companies like ours that are pre-revenue to focus on developing our product and technology to bring it to market and perfect our product for mass large-scale production.
Can you share some details about your upcoming plans for Metavista3D?
Right now, our focus is to raise capital to give Dr. Nasky and our subsidiary, PS Holics, the tools they need to continue to develop and perfect the product. Additionally, our focus is to demonstrate the immense potential of PS Holics technology that Metavista3D currently owns. We are planning on going to CES, the Consumer Electronics Show in Las Vegas, which is the largest trade show in the world with hundreds of thousands of visitors, especially for companies like us, to bring our innovative technology to the market and to have that wow, that shock factor. Now, once we get through that event, our plans are to continue to develop our partnerships with our manufacturers to get our displays and prototypes into the hands of consumer electronic, automotive, and large display companies. We are incredibly proud of what we've achieved so far. First, Dr. Nasky having the imagination to invent and develop this technology. Then, our investors going public on the Toronto Venture Exchange. The positive response we've received from our trade shows. We are excited to see what's to come. Stay tuned.
Thank you, Jeff, for sharing these incredible insights about Metavista3D and its groundbreaking technology. Is there anything else you'd like to share with our viewers?
Thank you for this opportunity to discuss and present Metavista 3D to your audience. For more information about Metavista 3D and our technologies, please visit our website, www.metavista3d.com. You can subscribe to our newsletter so you can get up-to-date information. You could also send myself or our media contact an email. My email, jeff@metavista3d.com, or media@metavista3d.com. My cell phone number is listed. If you need to give me a call or shoot me a text, go right ahead. But if you stay tuned to our website, we keep all of our information up to date, all of our upcoming announcements as far as what trade shows and events will be listed there. And then once we have any information that is public, we will post that as well through press release and other news resources. Thank you very much. Hope to see you soon.